to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today this is a great recipe. This is pesto gnocchi with peas and roasted broccoli. A very, very quick and easy dish to do, and really easy on the hip pocket as well. Alright, let's get on with it. Alright, I've got an oven tray here with some baking paper, and I've got a 500 gram packet of frozen broccoli. Yep, I'm using frozen broccoli. It's already been blanched. All we really need to do now is get this really nice and roasted. If you want to use fresh broccoli, I'd parboil it first and then go with this step, but the frozen stuff is really, really nice and cheap, and most of the packets that you'll find will be Australian made, alright, Australian grown. So we're going to spread those out on our little dish there, a little sprinkle of some salt, and I've got my oven sitting, a little bit of pepper of course. My oven is sitting at 190 degrees today, and basically once we've got this all seasoned up just quite nicely like that, that is going into the oven for around about 40 minutes, maybe an hour, right, until we get a bit of toastage happening. You'll see in a minute. 2 tablespoons worth of olive oil, they can go straight into our fry pan just like that, right, we get a bit of heat happening. Very, very simple. Now, all of this dish, well, all of this can actually be sitting in your pantry or in your freezer. Here I've got one 500 gram packet of gnocchi. That's just the pantry style gnocchi, not the one in the refrigerator. Just put that straight in. We're not going to parboil it. We're not going to do anything. We're going to take it straight out of the packet and put that straight into the fry pan, just like that. Really nice and simple, and believe me, this does work. You'll end up with a beautiful tender gnocchi with a little bit of resistance, which is absolutely perfect. So make sure they're all separated nicely. Give them a toss around from time to time, and these are not going to take very long at all to cook. Alright, probably around about sort of 8 minutes or so. And as you can see, we're getting nice little char, little bits of burnt bits on that gnocchi. Right, just that little bit of potato getting a little bit of a colour. Right, 1 cup of frozen peas, which I have put in the microwave for around about a minute and a half just to defrost a little bit. They can go straight in. Don't worry if there's no oil in there, they're going to get a little bit of char on them as well, and the peas with a little bit of a char on them just taste amazing. Right, our broccoli has come out. As you can see, we've got real nice toastage all over those green bits there, and if you haven't had broccoli with a bit of char on there, I tell you what, you don't know what you're missing. It is the best flavour in the world. As you can see, those peas are starting to cook off a little bit. We can see a bit of steamage happening. I've got a 180 to 190 gram jar of store-bought pesto, right? Then it's not very expensive at all. It's only a couple of bucks. Right, and if you want to make a meal that tastes really good in a hurry, this is a great way to do it. Just use a bit of store-bought stuff here and there. Right, we're going to put that straight into our gnocchi and peas. We're going to give all of that a good stir, just like that. Good mixy mix. Alright, it's not going to take very long at all, this dish. We're on the home stretch. Alright, so we just need to get that pesto sort of heated through. We can add our broccoli pieces straight in. Beautiful charred broccoli that can go straight in on top as well, just like that. Really nice and really simple. And if you haven't had a dish like this before, it's pretty much vegan, almost vegetarian-ish. Well, and it's a good little bit of a change up in the diet as well. Just a little bit more roughage and extra vitamins. Right, give all of that a good stir, just like that. Get the broccoli covered with a bit of that pesto as well, and we are really on the home stretch now. All we have to do is make sure that everything is nice and warm. That pesto, you can even have that cold if you really wanted to, but it does not taste as well. Now, if we don't have enough basil and enough parmesan into our pesto, well, we're going to add in a little bit more. Right, just give all of that a last little bit of a stir, just like that. And this whole dish, it takes around about an hour to do, but you can do a lot of things in between. Fresh basil leaves over the top, just like that, for that extra zing. And of course, the last thing I'm going to add in is a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. just like that, straight over the top. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It tastes amazing, really fresh, and very, very quick and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn how to make something that is really quick, really inexpensive, and packed full of flavour, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll prepare my pesto gnocchi with peas and toasted broccoli, and I will catch you next time. Bye.